Divine order. When you look in the mirror, do you see divine order? Yeah. You see you, your life, your memories, your past, your present, your future. You, as you step into that flow and recognize the divine order in your own life. When I think of divine order, and I hope you guys won't laugh at this, but I think of game night. I think of games. When my family would get together and play Jenga, or would put together a puzzle. So when I think of divine order, I see this space, this community as a puzzle. And each of us are a piece of that puzzle. And all the bits of us interlock. They come together. They make a beautiful picture, a beautiful whole. And the cool thing about the puzzle that we create here is that it's ever expanding. It doesn't have set borders. We add a new piece, a new person, a new experience, and our puzzle grows. To me, that's the divine order that I experience. So in this moment, I'd like you to breathe in and breathe out. Center your heart. Calm your mind. Focus on what divine order looks like for you. Our daily word said divine order looked like a garden. I think that fits too. Divine order. The beautiful colors. The fragrances. The work it takes. Because for us, as we step into divine order, we also know that it takes our work. We dig in the dirt of that garden. We plant the seeds. We watch them grow. We look for weeds. What are the weeds in our garden? Our thoughts. The things that we want to let go of, that we remove. That divine order in our life is that beautiful garden. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. So hold that image in your mind of a beautiful garden and what you choose to grow and what you choose to remove. Remove all thoughts of fear. Remove all thoughts of distress, thoughts of separation, thoughts of lack. Grow instead flowers of love, flowers of forgiveness, flowers of togetherness, flowers of healing, flowers of possibility. So I'd like you to think right now of yourself standing in front of that mirror. Standing in front of a mirror as a flower. What flower are you? What color are you? What fragrance are you? Are you a blissful rose? A spicy little carnation? A poppy? When you look in the mirror every day, know that you are in that divine order. You are a part of that. You can express that in your life. Let's take a few moments together in the quiet to remember divine order is always expressing, and expressing through you, expressing through me. Take a deep breath in. And as you release it, I affirm with you that divine order is expressing everywhere. I see it in you. I see it in the mirror. And so it is.